Hey YouTube, what's going on? It is Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today I have another one of my little golden books. Um, if you aren't a big fan of the kind of, I guess, a series I'm doing, then go ahead and just skip this video. But I did have a question. Where did I get my books punched at? So I did take them to an actual bookbinder, and they did them for about a dollar a book. So I dropped off 25 books, and it was like $27 after tax. So yeah, I had them professionally done because I wanted them all to be the same. So anyways, this one is Sleeping Beauty, and this one's actually my favorite so far, but I feel like I'm getting better, I guess. So I put some little fabric over here. Obviously, I don't know if I'm going to keep that. I do want to try to make a charm. I put some of this is from the Dollar Tree, some of their rhinestones down right here. This is also Dollar Tree fabric that I put on the edge here. And then right here is just a little pocket thing. And so I put that in here, and these are just some little stickers. And then just put a little sticker there, I don't know. Right here is a paper bag, and I put some lace on the side of it just to decorate it a little. I got this right here. It says A Princess of Grace. I got this out of one of the coloring books that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then this is just a little tag. I'm trying to see, is that a pocket? But it's not. So I just put this here, I guess. I don't even know what I did. With the purple pom-pom that I made with the Dollar Tree stuff. Just cut up a piece of cardstock and put this little kind of card there. Just a piece of white paper. This is pages from the little notebooks from the Dollar Tree that we got a while ago that kind of pulled out like the Happy Planner. So I just took those out, rounded the corners, and put them in here. Another pockets that I put in here. Again, this I ripped out of the coloring books, and then some Dollar Tree lace right here. So this is a pocket right here. This right here was a sticker. I'm pretty sure this is from the Dollar Tree book also. The Happy Planner Dollar Tree stuff. Just some ribbon right there. This is one of the shaker tags that I got at Joann's on clearance, like 4 of them for $1 something. So this is just some paper here. And again, I just ripped out some of the oh my gosh, I'm sorry, the coloring book stuff. You guys, I'm going to use this on all my princess books. I think it is so beautiful, and so I plan on using this in a lot of my books. Let's see what's here. Okay, I guess that's it on that one. Sorry. Just a blue paper. Again, one of the little paper clips that I made, just a little card there. This is again from the Dollar Tree coloring book. Obviously ripped it out and then inked up the edges a little and made a little pocket right here and put some cards in here. This right here on this card is so cute, and this is just the itty bitty little picture from one of those books. So I thought that was cute. Let's see what other pages. I'm trying not to hit the camera. I have a new camera mount that I'm so excited about, but I'm still trying to learn how to use it. So this is just a page where I put some little, I don't know, just colors on there. Another one of the little pom-poms I made. So this, like I had said before, when I bought, I just bought the paper clips that have like the coating over them from the Dollar Tree, and then I just bought a whole thing of pom-poms and the super glue, and I literally just super glued them on there. I'm not going to try to put that on right now. So I just made a whole bunch of the little pom-pom paper clips because it was just cheaper than buying them. Again, just some more of the jewels right here from the Dollar Tree. Another tag. I got a bunch of these tags in one of my previous hauls from Michael's on clearance for like $1 something, and there's like 50 of them. So I just tied some little ribbon stuff to the top of them. Oh, I try not to hit you guys. This right here is just some of the sequencing stuff from the Dollar Tree, so I just glued that right there. Again, another one of the pictures that I cut out, or I'm sorry, that I ripped out from, these are actually, I'm lying, they're not from the coloring book. These are, I'm trying to see if it's here next to me, from like the addition and so they are from this one. This is where I got these pictures from, the Disney addition and subtraction books. And so they have a bunch of Disney pictures in there and stuff. So that's actually where I got all these from. And then again, I just put some on the edges of this card. These are some of the jewels I got from the 99-cent store. Let's see here, just some more pages. What else do I have here? Again, this one is actually one of the Disney coloring books. Some jewels from the Dollar Tree, another one of the pom-poms I made. This is the bordering ribbon stuff that I got from the 99-cent store. Here's another little pocket and a bag up here. Let's see. Let's see what else we got, guys. Let's see. Yeah, just some little cards in here that I made. Yeah, with another little pocket right here. Okay. Hold on. Oh, let me show you. So these are also, I ripped these out. They are, let me show you. Let me just show you real quick. So they are part of like the addition and subtraction, like I said. So I am just like ripping out like the little, like the seashells, and like I'm just tearing this book apart. Like some of these little fellas here are in some of my books. Yeah, so, and then at the top, let me see if I can get the top in here without hitting the camera. So up here, that's the stuff that I'm ripping up to put like on the border of some of my books. So yeah, let's see. This is just another page I did, Dollar Tree ribbon. Let's see, just some more just colorful kind of whatever paper. Yeah. This is a book from a notebook. And so, yeah, it's like I got this notebook, a really pretty notebook for like, I think $1 from the thrift store a long time ago. So I just put that in here because I liked the colors and thought it looked good in here. Just some more kind of whatever paper so people can do what they want. Let me see. Well, let's see what else we got, guys. Obviously, another page from the coloring book. I did go kind of crazy with the coloring book. This is some of the wired burlap from the Dollar Tree, and I made it into, oh man, hold on. This one I put into soon. Okay, there we go. So yeah, these are just two little note cards. So on this note card, let me show you. This is again part of the subtraction thing, the adding and subtracting book. They just had some mermaid stuff in there, so I did that. And this is the edges of the stickers from up here. So yeah, this is just the outline of those, so I put them on here. Again, just some more of the pictures from the Adding and Subtracting Disney book. Underneath this just little burlap. I remembered what it was until just now, but whatever. And then some more just beading kind of right there. Oh, it's a belly band, guys. I think that's what it's called. And these are just some more little pages I added in, and actually I think that is it, guys. So yes, this is my newest one. I think I'm getting a little bit better at it. I think I had way more fun with this one just because it was a princess one, and I felt like there was so much more I could do. But so this is my newest little golden book. So I am going to actually be doing several videos today. One is going to be showing how I turn the Dollar Tree boxes and hard-covered photo albums into book covers also for journals. So stay tuned for that one, and I hope you guys are having a great day. I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.